we are proud to announce the launch of Haaretz Digital's new iPad application with the world's most innovative navigation interface, the iPad. The latest technological advances provided us with the world's leading control interface, an interface which enables the user to experience the ultimate content consumption, tailored specifically for them by means of a chemical optical reading of the user's eyeballs. How does it work?
We've been developing this for 3 years now. The technology is actually a unique optical lens placed on the eyeball that is then scanned by a glasses-like device the user wears on his face. Now, this component identifies pupil movement, allowing the user to control and browse the contents of the application. An upward or downward movement of the pupil will be interpreted as a scroll down or scroll up command. Amazing! The component will also be able to identify other gestures, such as blinking, interpreted as the equivalent of a mouse click, or double blinking as a double click. However, the real revolution lies in the ability of our lens to chemically and optically react to physiological parameters in the user, such as pulse, blood pressure, pH levels, and the condition of the pupils. Unique algorithms interpret the reader's physiological responses to the media content to gauge the level of interest he or she exhibits in that content, and then reacts accordingly, giving each user an experience uniquely tailored for them.
Once we realized the power of this technological revolution, it became clear that our duty was to create the best application in the field of content consumption. Here at Haaretz, we have established a dedicated team of content editors who develop the content for the application, and we think our current version stands to the highest standards. It contains superior infographics, videos, presentations, and images. 40 items a day, carefully curated from a sea of information. The first application allowing the users to write talkbacks and join conversations on various topics, enabling them to participate in the news coverage.
The new Haaretz English for iPad. Haaretz. The future is already here.
Wait a minute, are you sure? A lens inside the eye that identifies pH levels and pulse? Isn't that a little far-fetched? I mean, it doesn't sound very logical to me.
Well, yes, to be honest, that's true. The application doesn't quite work that way, at least not yet. Maybe in a few years.
What is true is that in the next few days, Haaretz will be launching a new iPad application for our English edition.
The new Haaretz English for iPad. Haaretz. The future is already here.